Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Kawaii Brit and today I have a haul for you. This is going to be a small Easter haul. This is for like my journaling and at least a craft or two that I want to do. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. All these supplies came from Aliexpress and I will let you know the prices I paid for them as I go through them as well. So let me get my Aliexpress up and we will start with the first envelope. Now back right after Christmas, they were doing a lot of sales. Of course, Aliexpress is a giant sale in itself, but there was a lot of free shipping involved as well. So I did put in a huge order, and this is just part of it. I decided to split it up. I had my Valentine's stuff, my Easter stuff, and some craft haul stuff. And I'm still waiting on some of my craft or journaling supply stuff that's just random. And but I just figured I would just start showing some things off to you. So let's get the first package, and we're gonna go with this one. So the first thing that we have in this package is a resin mold. I got this cute little chick. You can see it a little bit better from this side. Resin mold. It is a shaker, very small shaker, but I think it's gonna turn out really cute as a little tiny keychain. It's a little bit smaller than my palm. And I haven't had any issues with the resin molds from AliExpress, so I figured I should try this one out. This was $1.21, and this came with free shipping because I got a few items. The next item I got in here was a roll of washi. This is a Peter Cottontail roll of washi. I thought this would be a cute theme to do for my journal since it is a Easter theme, I guess, bunnies. And I also love Peter Cottontail, so I think that this will be a lot of fun to do. This was $1.47, and again, it came with free shipping because I did get a couple of items in this. The next item that I got in this one was this roll of Easter bunnies. They're like vintage Easter bunnies. They're so cute. And if you saw my Valentine haul, there were some stickers in with the Valentine stickers that I got that were Christmas and Easter themed, and these match the Easter ones that I got in there, almost, slightly. So I thought these would be really cute for an Easter page. This one was $1.55 with free shipping because it came in this other package. The last thing I got in this package was this little paper packet, and it is a Peter Rabbit theme. I did look at some of the pages to make sure it wasn't like the Christmas one that I got where it was just Google search images. They give you a nice view of the pages so you could see a little bit more, but they are all Peter Rabbit, not Peter Cottontail. I keep saying Peter Cottontail, Peter Rabbit themed. It contains a lot of really cute pictures that I can use in my journaling, and I can't wait to use them. It was $1.39 for this, and again, because it came in the package, it was free shipping. In the next package, I have a bag. It is a bag of confettis. They're little Easter bunny, pink Easter bunnies. I got these to go into the shaker. I thought they'd be really cute, and I like how bright and sparkly they are. Look, one of them even fell out. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And this big bag of confetti was 88 cents. This next bag contains stickers. Peter Rabbit stickers. Look how cute. And some of them are translucent, some of them are just opaque ones. Let's take a look at some of them. And here you can see all the styles of stickers that are in here on the back. There's 20 designs and 40 different pieces. This set was $1.61 and it came with free shipping. In my next package, I got some stamps. So these are some Easter stamps. Hoping that I will use them in my journal. If not, I have them to make some cards. They are the gummy stamps. I have stamp pads already, and I got a stamping block. It's a smaller stamping block, so the only problem I have is going to be this one right up here at the top. But it was still really cute, and the price that it was, you really couldn't beat. It was $1 for this with free shipping. So I mean, if I use it, I use it. If not, I have it for other things. Look how cute these little bunnies are. I'm definitely going to use the bunnies at least on my journal pages. And the last package that I have with Easter supplies, these aren't really Easter supplies. I'm going to use them for a lot of different things, but I mainly got them for the shakers. I've been seeing a lot of people use these in their shakers or even on any resin piece in general, and I really wanted them for myself, so I picked these up. They were $2.80, which wasn't a bad price. And I can use these for many other projects, which is the main point and the reason why I got them. I wish I would have got some more colors though, because I think that I would love to have more of a variety. But I'll be happy with what I have here. I like the pinks and the peaches and the oranges in here. So that's all I have for my Easter haul. I'm really excited to start using the supplies. Make sure you're subscribed if you just happened upon this video and you like watching journaling, you like watching crafts, because I will definitely be making these in the next few weeks for you guys. I'm excited to start that. I think I said that already. I'll be doing some swatches on this in a small video for you guys if you want to see all of the different characters that are on here. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But other than that, you guys have a lovely rest of your day and see ya!